In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively respond to a scheduled check-in using the Automatic Check-ins tool within your project management software. This is a crucial step to maintain seamless communication with your team and ensure that every project progresses smoothly. Once you're notified that a scheduled check-in has been sent out, the first thing to do is open your project. You'll want to head straight over to the Automatic Check-ins tool. This tool is fantastic for managing and tracking ongoing project dialogues because it centralizes all the responses and makes them easily accessible for every team member. Once you're in the Automatic Check-ins tool, take a moment to locate the current question. This question is generally listed right under the tool itself, providing a clear starting point for your response. Make sure to click on the question to open up the entire thread of responses that your teammates might have already contributed to. This can provide valuable context and insight, helping you align your response with the ongoing discussion. Now, you should see an option like Answer this question or something similar. Go ahead and click it. This is where you will enter your response text. When you're crafting your response, it's important to be clear, concise, and thorough to ensure that your team fully understands your input. This is your opportunity to convey any vital information you need to share. Additionally, there are a few features you can use to enhance your response. You can use the @mention feature to tag a specific team member. This is particularly useful if you want to direct a part of your answer to someone specific, or if you require special attention from a colleague. Moreover, if you have supporting documents, you can attach files directly to your response. This could include spreadsheets, images, or any other documents that could assist in better understanding your answer. Furthermore, if your response references other parts of the project, like other projects, to-dos, or documents, include links to these resources. This will not only bolster your response, but also direct your collaborators to relevant materials with ease. Once you've composed your response, make sure everything looks good, and then submit it. After submission, your response becomes visible to everyone involved in the project or to any selected recipients, ensuring that your input is considered and integrated into the ongoing project discussions. And that's it. Following these steps will guarantee that you participate effectively in your team's scheduled check-ins, facilitating clear communication and enhancing overall productivity. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one to keep your projects running smoothly.